The glimpse of the AIDMAT Academy's 4th batch event displays the laboratory for leadership excellence and experiential alchemy, the Mahabharat way. This transformative learning experience uniquely combines ancient wisdom, captivating stories, and an examination of power dynamics through the lens of the Mahabharat epic. The journey begins with the ritualistic lighting of the lamp and the chanting of shlokas, setting a solemn tone for our creative yajna. This symbolizes our commitment to knowing and discovering each other, initiated by King Dhritarashtra's invitation to Sanjay. Each participant embodies Sanjay, providing insights into reality for the blind king. Our dynamic and open process cultivates a rich, interactive learning community where participants can openly express their excitement about this journey. नेता दूसरों को सीखने में मदद करने में क्यों विफल होते हैं? जब नेता खुद सीखने में विफल होते हैं तो क्या होता है? क्या सीखने के कौशल विकसित करने से नेता अधिक प्रभावी होते हैं? Their learning agenda was presented, followed by consensus and debate in a large classroom. The Krishna learning instrument was administered, followed by a debate regarding its implications. Why do leaders fail to help others learn? What happens to leaders when they fail to learn themselves? Does developing learning skills make leaders more effective and competent? The story of Dronacharya in Gurukul served as a focal point for illustrating the excellence syndrome for the young Pandavas and Kauravas. This syndrome is rooted in their self-learning, setting standards against others, and breaking their own benchmarks. In a simulation game, Arjuna played the role of a doer, while Drona, along with his students, experienced rivalry and negative competition, which presented both enabling and disabling factors. The brave Arjuna stepped into battlefield with self-doubt and anxiety dilemma between relation or taking firm action. Krishna leadership coach mentoring made him fight the battle with a clear vision, precision, and confidence. However, he was a pampered child, loved by elders and surrounded by an abundance of love and support due to his high performance orientation and emotional affluence. Krishna was by his side, and despite the Kauravas' anguish, jealousy, and hatred, many elders loved him except Dhritarashtra. Arjun, जो कभी आत्मसंदेह और चिंता से ग्रस्त थे, कर्तव्य और रिश्ते के बीच खड़े थे। कृष्ण की बुद्धिमान मार्गदर्शन ने उनकी दृष्टि को बदल दिया, उन्हें स्पष्टता, सटीकता और आत्मविश्वास के साथ लड़ने के लिए सशक्त बनाया। एक प्यारे और लाड़-प्यार से पले बच्चे होने के बावजूद अर्जुन की उच्च प्रदर्शन और भावनात्मक गहराई ने उन्हें एक जटिल चरित्र बनाया। कृष्ण की उपस्थिति उनके लिए एक मार्गदर्शक प्रकाश थी, जिसने उन्हें युद्ध के मैदान के उथल-पुथल को नेविगेट करने में मदद की, जहां कौरवों की ईर्ष्या और घृणा कई बुजुर्गों के प्यार और प्रशंसा के विपरीत थी, सिवाय अंधे राजा धृतराष्ट्र के। The style of leadership and Arjuna's self-doubt on the battlefield were very insightful moments. Was Arjuna sulking and overly reliant on Krishna and others, which made him vulnerable and in need of affection? The intense debate and focus on self-awareness provided a thought-provoking exposure at various points of the simulation and highlighted a process-centric approach.
Hi, I'm Neha Agarwal. It was a really good experience. How we got to know that what qualities a leader should require, and knowing also this thing that how can we check whether that leadership is there in us also or not.
And the way the program was connected to Mahabharata was a very good learning experience for these 5 days. Thank you.
It was indeed a good program where we have learned our listening style, our leadership style, and the way the group activity was performed. It was building blocks.
It was overall a very synergical experience, and I got to introspect myself, which was kind of very, different for me. I have never done that before.
अपने स्वयं के भी लीडर हम बन सकते हैं और परिवार में